Good morning, Scots. I'm Isaac.
Happy December. It's Friday. I'm Bree.
It's the first of the month. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's start off with some announcements.
First, seniors. Please stop by room 3E and check that your senior portrait and name are correct for the yearbook before Wednesday, December 6th.
You can stop by before and after school or at the beginning of lunch.
Second, are you interested in a nursing career?
The Highland AVID program is pleased to present a guest speaker session with a registered nurse happening next Monday, 12/4, in the library during second period.
Sign up today at the College and Career Center in the library.
Third, Highland Red Cross is doing something special this holiday season. They're doing a Christmas toy drive.
Students and staff members, if you'd like to help out, please take a gift to room 14B.
Commercial break. We will be back shortly.
Juniors and seniors, if you're interested in going into teaching after high school for a career, listen up. This information will help you out. You could join a class starting next semester that is dual enrolled in an education class at BC and have an opportunity to go into classes at Highland to tutor underclassmen and our special education students to gain hands-on experience with working with students. Upon completion of the 2-year program, you will earn their K-8 paraprofessional certification, which will give you an opportunity to start working in the schools as you work on your teaching credential. This is a great opportunity to explore what is involved with your teaching and to see if teaching is something for you. Talk to your counselor about this opportunity ASAP.
Welcome back, everyone.
Now it's time for
Savannah.
On the Go.
Savannah on the Go.
Hi, my name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go. Today we're going to be asking the question, what is the most embarrassing thing you've done here at Highland? Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Max.
And what is the most embarrassing thing you've done here at Highland?
Ooh. Probably walking into the wrong classroom. That's pretty far up there. One time I was trying to go to a club meeting and I walked into the wrong room. And then I turned around and walked right back out.
Hey, I mean, you know.
What about you?
I flushed my AirPod down the toilet. Yeah, I didn't know what it was that plopped into the toilet, and as the toilet was flushing, it just went.
That's pretty bad.
Next question. We are doing another sneaky interview thing because it's really funny to get reactions from them. So we're gonna go into this classroom right now, specifically the Plaid Advocacy Center. Check it out and interview some people. Let's go. All right, what's an embarrassing thing you've done?
Okay, the most embarrassing thing I done was definitely trip over the tree that's next to the gym in front of everybody walking to lunch.
Hi guys, so thank you for watching this episode of Savannah on the Go. There's a love note right now there. Anyways, thank you for watching this episode, and I will see you next week. Peace out.
Thank you for the segment.
Remember, Scots, if you see Savannah during lunch when she is recording, help her out.
Because you might get something. Is that him?
It's Mr. Scotty.
Look out for Scotty at lunch
And participate in his challenges.
to win Plaid points and prizes.
Now we will be going with our sports team.
Hello, Scots. It's time for some sports. I'm Peter.
And I'm Silas.
Here are some sports announcements.
Firstly, JV Girls Tennis Awards will be held Friday after school. Friends and family are all welcome.
Second, Coach Prosser had a swim team meeting yesterday at 4 p.i. If you're still interested, stop by his classroom if you have any questions. Remember, 4 p.i.
Third, good luck to all the sports teams having tournaments this weekend.
Go Scots.
Now we'll be having some interviews from our girls soccer team.
What are your guys' names and what position do you guys play?
My name is Dulce Najera and I play mid.
My name is Kaylin and I play center back.
My name is Kimberly and I play defense.
My name is Taylor Mendez and I play mid and right wing.
My name is Allie Matney and I play center back and outside back.
What is the best part about playing this sport?
The memories and just playing and having fun.
Playing the sport you love.
Meeting new people along the way.
All the hard work paying off on the field.
Just playing with my teammates, making friends, and making memories.
Staying composed in a big match.
Quick decision making.
Having a lot of schoolwork after.
The mental aspect.
Just balancing it all with school and soccer and friends.
Thank you for that segment.
Remember, Scots, finals are coming soon. So be ready, and if you need any help, ask your teachers, go to tutoring after school at the library, or ask the student for some help.
That's it for us, Scots.
Let's go back to the studio.
Scots, winter FOMO tickets will be going on sale this month. Be ready for December 11th.
If you are bringing a non-Highland guest, you must pick up a non-Highland guest permission slip in your activities office ASAP.
Non-Highland guest tickets must be purchased at the same time as your ticket. And that's it for today, Scots.
And always remember to
Plaid up.